Hello everyone, welcome back to my video after a long time. Today I'm here with you with a new topic. Today I'm going to talk about the differences between these two words, which is a bit confusing but more interesting. We usually mispronounce these two common words. Now the question is, why we do this mistake? Well, we actually focus on its spelling when we pronounce the words. So today I'm going to show you how to pronounce these two words. So let's dig deep on it and find the correct one. First of all, I'm going to pick this one. W-O-M-A-N. How do you pronounce it? Woman? Did you notice we focused on the last part of the word, M-A-N? But we actually have to focus on the first part, W-O. And it will be woman. Woman. Isn't it interesting? You have to spread your mouth at the starting of the pronunciation. Woman. Woman. Let me give you an example. She is the most intelligent woman of this company. She is a smart woman. Now, talk about the next one. W-O-M-E-N. How do you pronounce it? Here's the same thing. We have to focus on the first part of the word, W-O. The next part, M-E-N, is untouchable. We don't have to focus there. We have to focus on the first part, W-O. And it will be women. Women. The upper two teeth will touch your lower lip. Women. Well, let me give an example. This organization is run by 10 women. You got this? Is it clear? The first one, singular one, woman, and the next one, plural one, is women. It's clear, okay? So, now today, thanks for watching.